Welcome to the demo of the skills portal. This is the home page of the application. As you can see, the associate is currently logged in. The associate can manage his profile as well as application wide settings in the profile management area. On the left hand side, we have three primary navigation tabs. The first one is to find opportunities or openings within the organization. The second tab is to find training avenues for any skills that the associate wants to search. And the third tab is to find certifications in the area of the associate's interest. In the middle, we have a list of most demanded skills within the organization which the associate can go through. The most relevant openings for that particular associate based on his skills will be shown here. And then we have the list of recommended training for that particular associate, again based on his career aspirations as well as based on his skill sets, which will be displayed here. Now the exact algorithms on which these results or these details will be shown are yet to be decided. On the right hand side, the associate's available certifications as well as his current training progress will be displayed. Now if the associate wants to find opportunities within the organization, he has to just click on the Find Opportunities tab, and that will take him to a page where he can enter the skills, location, the experience, etc., and then search for available openings. Now if he were to enter skills like HTML or maybe AngularJS, etc., and maybe he is entering a location as Pune, he can also mention his experience. Suppose if he is looking for experience between 0 to 5 years and he is going to search, he will get the results below. Now these are basically the same results or the same details which are actually being shown in the RMG portal right now. So this screenshot actually shows the kind of details which are available in the RMG portal. Now that will be displayed in this page, from where the associate can look for more details of that particular opening. Now for example, if he wants to know the details of this .NET programmer opportunity in Pune, he just has to click on the details button, which will take him to a page where he can actually see more details of that opening. So you can see where the opening is, the SO number, the number of positions, the cluster IBG and IBU details, job description for that particular opening, etc. And then the list of skills which are required for that particular opening will be displayed in the table in the first column. Now alongside, matching skills will also be shown, so the associate can see which skills he has and which skills he doesn't have. Now in this particular scenario, the associate does not have AngularJS, and that is highlighted. And along the same row, you have training avenues available for that particular skill. Now the associate can click on the button and can access all the available training avenues. Now in this case, he has option to go for either e-learning or maybe go through video tutorials or maybe access the document. Now if he clicks on e-learning, it will directly take him to the sum total page, the sum total LMS, from where he can access the related AngularJS e-learning content. Now if he is interested in going through the video tutorials, he can click on the relevant link, and that will take him to this MyTube portal.
My name is Amit, and in this small video caption, I'm going to show you a demo of an AngularJS application, and I'm going to explain a few of it.
Likewise, there is one more video available in iTube, which he can go through. Or if he wants to access any of the collaterals which is available for that particular topic, he can click on the link for the document, and that takes him to the KEE portal, from where he can access that particular document. Now coming to the second tab, that is to find training. If the associate wants to find out what are the available training opportunity or the training avenues for a certain skill, he just has to click on the second tab, that is find training, and then he will get the search page where he can enter the search where he can enter the topic, for example DevOps, and search for available training avenues, and here you can see the list of available training avenues. Now e-learning, we have already seen that he can click on the link for e-learning, it will directly take him to the SumTotal portal. Likewise, there are videos on iTube and MyTube respectively. He can also access blogs. For example, he can go to this particular blog which is hosted in a MyBeat, or he may want to access any of these documents which are or hosted in different sites. Again, in this case, this takes him to the Mink portal where there is a document on DevOps. Now if the results are too many, he can actually use the filtering options on the left hand side. He can specify, for example, he wants only the e-learning content, or he can also specify the level, whether he is looking for beginner, intermediate, advanced, or maybe he can also specify what kind of reference material he is looking for. So using these filtering options, he can directly locate the training avenue of his interest and access the content. Now the third tab is to find certifications. This is work in progress. So this is just a graphic to symbolically indicate that we can have a learning path for different career paths based on the associate's skills and career interests. We can show him the learning path. In this case, for a database administrator, he can see that these are the available certifications and the order in which he has to take them. Now, apart from this, there is also an option for the associate to go to his profile page, and from the profile page he can access the different things like his skills. He can directly go to the profile page, skills and profile management system, and he can access his skills. So that will give him the direct access to his profile management page. Likewise, he can also view his competency index again on the iLearn portal. He can choose his career aspirations. This is again work in progress at the moment, or he can choose the learning path. So the learning path for that particular associate, like the mandatory trainings that he has to complete, those will be displayed here. And the readiness for the next role, again based on his career aspirations, it's again work in progress. So these are the features that are presently in this version. Thank you very much for your time.